What's going on, everybody? How are you all doing? I'm sorry I haven't been uploading in the past 2 months. I just have not been in the mood to making more videos at all. Why, I'll never know, but I am back. I am still alive and well. Trust me, I just have not been in the mood to make more videos at all. But anyways, this video is something that's completely different. It's not about model railways. Well, technically it's a toy, but still though. This is something that I picked up from Japan. It is this. This is a Japanese Thomas set that I bought directly from Japan off eBay, and I don't know. I just thought it looked really interesting, and I've heard of sets like these, and I wanted one. So this is new to me. I will say this though, I cannot read what this says. I do not speak Japanese at all, but I just thought it was interesting because I think, in my opinion, Japanese Thomas toys are the most interesting type of Thomas merchandise that I've ever seen. Unlike what you get today with All Engines Go, which is... So yeah, this is something really cool. I'll show you the back of the box right here, and excuse me, on the sides you can see that there's some sort of scenery. You got the windmills, scenics like the farms, cows and sheep and chickens, and the house. This is a pretty interesting set. But yeah, let's get this open. Alright, you join me in my dining table, pretty much. But yeah, I think this is one of the best places I can film this, so let's get this open. Come on. There we go. Other side. There we go. That there. And there we go. It's out. Looks like it's in the, yep, another layer. Let's look at Thomas. This is actually pretty cool right here. And there's Thomas himself. Looks kind of small. It's nothing like compared to Tomy or anything. 2022 Galen Thomas. I believe this is a screw to open up the battery. But anyways, let's look at Clarabelle. This is the only carriage you get in this set. What I kind of don't like about it is that Clarabelle is pretty much a hollow body. Nothing wrong with it, but I just thought I'd point that out at least. But yeah, there's Clarabelle. And there's the tunnel that you get in this set. Oops. Goes together like that. There we go. Sorry if you can see it much. Here's all the track. And, this is wired together. Yeah, it's a pretty interesting looking set, I must say. And here's the little hillside right here. And the instructions say this goes together just like that. Alright. Let's get a battery for Thomas and let's put this together. Now I have a feeling Thomas takes a AAA battery, but just in case he does, I have one right here. No, I am not sponsored. I cannot pronounce the company's name, and I think I might have to get a smaller. Okay, let's try it now. Because I do not want to mess up the little gaps in the screw. Or threads, what do you call them? Not threads. I don't know. Yep. Looks like he does. Yep. Alright. He works. Pretty fast for a guy. Let's see. There we go. Sorry if I keep blocking the shot. Now what I always do, putting screws back in, is to unwind it enough to where until it's sort of straight, and then you screw it back in, because if you sort of don't do that, it will it'll mess up the threads on the screw. So there's Thomas with the battery now. Now let's get the track together. Okay, I do apologize if you had to see me struggle a little bit, because apparently I didn't know what I was doing. But there it is. There's the interesting Japanese Thomas set. Now I forgot to mention the company that made this set. I have no idea how to pronounce their name, but I will show their logo on the screen, because I don't want to try to pronounce it to try to save my life. But anyways, yeah, let's put Thomas on the track. And there he goes. That is just so freaking cool, man. So there you go, that is my take on this awesome Japanese Thomas toy. I would say it's some sort of a hill set, but I'm sure someone can definitely name this set for me, because I have no idea how to read Japanese. It said it in the eBay listing, but I forgot the name. Mountain Rail Set, that's the name of the set. I don't know how I forgot about that before, but now I know. But yeah, this is freaking awesome, man. I love this. I could just sit here and just watch this for hours. It is just so entertaining. Unlike what Mattel releases today, where it's just doesn't feel like a train set. This is a real train set. This is what I miss so much. But now you just don't see this anymore. And apparently this is the closest that you can find where that's something that is close to like Tomy or Playrail or something like that. Well, yeah, this is so freaking cool, dude. I love this. Yeah, I could just watch this all day. But I think I'm gonna leave it here for now. Well, I think the best part is this set, and you can see Thomas just slowing down on the hill. Oh, it's just so freaking cool. See? I love this. I am really entertained by this. But anyways, I'm gonna leave it here for now. I'm gonna enjoy this. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. By the way, before I go, I know the picture's blurry. I do apologize, but there's a reason for it. Is right after I bought that Japanese Thomas set, I had to buy this guy. Might do a video soon, who knows.